Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Zoom meeting link and invite others. Let's begin with scheduling a meeting for the future. Open the Zoom application on your computer or go to the Zoom website and sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, look for the Schedule button. It usually has a calendar icon. Click on it. Now you will see a form where you can enter your meeting details. Type a clear topic so people know what the meeting is about. Then choose the date, time, and how long the meeting will last. Make sure to check the security options. It is a good idea to enable the waiting room or set a passcode to keep your meeting safe. After filling in all the details, click Save. Zoom will now create your meeting. To invite others, go to the meeting section in the app. Find the meeting you just created, click on the three dots menu, and select Copy Invitation. You can now paste this invitation into an email, message, or anywhere you want to share it. Now let's look at how to start an instant meeting. On the Zoom home screen, click the orange New Meeting button. This will start your meeting right away. Once inside the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar and click on Participants. A panel will open on the right side. Click Invite. Then choose Copy Invite Link or Copy Invitation. Share it with others so they can join. Thanks for watching.